The first observance of Kashmir Solidarity Day was in 1990, initiated by Qazi Hussain Ahmad, then leader of Jamaat-e-Islami Pakistan. The day was set aside to express support and unity with the people of Kashmir, marking a significant moment in the history of the region. Kashmir Solidarity Day is a day marked by demonstrations, rallies, and seminars with the purpose of raising a collective voice against the ongoing conflicts and injustices in Kashmir. It brings the issues of Kashmir to the forefront of global consciousness and serves as a platform to protest against human rights violations in the region. In Pakistan, Kashmir Solidarity Day is observed with various activities. Rallies, seminars, and protests serve as platforms for people to express their support for the rights of the Kashmiri people. The day resonates throughout the country, calling for steadfast religious and just provision for the rights of the Kashmiri people. On Kashmir Solidarity Day, both governments and citizens present their arguments and solid facts to the world through various forums and institutions. The aim is to bring about a resolution to the issue of Kashmir on a global scale. The day amplifies the voices of the Kashmiri people, highlighting their struggles and hopes to the world. Kashmir Solidarity Day stands as a testament of unity, empathy, and a firm stand against injustice. It transcends borders, cultures, and religions, uniting people in their shared support for the rights of the Kashmiri people. The impact of this day is significant and far-reaching, reminding us all of the power of unity and solidarity in the face of adversity.